Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block promo message on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, people often block promotional message on their smartphone to avoid distractions, maintain privacy, and reduce the clutter in their communication channel. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Please Messaging app on your device. Well, after that, here you can see that there are many promo messages. Then the way to block them is long press on one of the message and then click the three dots here. Well, after that, select block option and click OK. Well, and then you can do the steps to all of promo message received on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block promo message on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.